Hello everyone. Today I will talk about one strategy to make money online. I think if you already have $40K in your bank account, it should be possible to make it into 130K in profit in 1 year. Okay, of course this is all based on some assumptions, and now I will tell you how I did this calculation. Okay, so the idea is very simple. All those stores, they will have clearances all the time. And then let's say you can buy some item for $10 and then sell it into $2. Oh, sorry, $20. And then you end up with $10 profit. Of course, it doesn't sell immediately. Let's say everything you buy will sell, which will heavily depend on how you pick the items. And it will take some time to sell. Let's say everything takes 4 months to sell. Okay. Then and let's also assume it takes you 10 minutes to handle one item. And this 10 minutes will include sourcing the item, listing it online, and pack the item. And then, of course, based on our assumption, it will sell 4 months later. And then you will make, in 10 minutes, you will make $10. And that means your hourly pay is $60. And then let's say you work like a 9-to-5 job, so you work 8 hours a day. And then you will get $480. Let's say you just get $500 a day. Okay, $500 a day. And then you work 5 days a week, and there are 52 weeks in 1 year. And then that equals 130K. So if you do this, after some time, you should be able to make 130K in a year. Okay, so in this model, we said you only start to make money after 4 months. So in the first 4 months, you'll be accumulating inventory. And you are only spending money and not making any money. So that means you need to have some initial capital. Okay. So how much initial capital do you need? I made it particularly easy because you spend $10 and then you have $10 profit. So eventually you will earn $500 per day, and in the first 4 months you will be spending $500 a day. So it will be $500 a day, and then you work 5 days a week. And then let's say 1 month there are 4 weeks, and then there are 4 months. This is week, this is day, this is 4 months. Okay, that ends up to be 40K. Okay. Now you can see how to make your profit bigger. So per item, I'm assuming it takes $10 profit. If you can pick something better and then you end up with a higher profit, then you can earn more with this amount of workload. Another way is you can try to make it more efficient to list one item, to handle one item. For example, here I'm assuming each item is different, so each item will take 10 minutes. But if you buy many same items, then you basically spend 10 minutes to buy n items. To buy many items, then it becomes, it's like per item, it costs less time, and then you can list more per day, and then you can make more money per day. Of course, if you buy more stuff per day, you also spend more money per day, and then your initial capital will also be bigger. But this is just a simple framework to get an idea of how much you can make and how much amount of work you need to do. Hope this will be something useful if you are thinking about how to make money online. Okay, that's all about today. Thanks for watching.